Hello, driver.
Hi, passenger princess. Sorry. Shukran.
Turn left. Turn left. In 100 meters. Turn right. Then turn left. Turn left. Then turn right.
Fourth floor?
You know, second floor.
Second floor for the lobby.
No, yeah.
Okay.
And you need anything, just call the reception number 0.
Zero.
Yes, 24
Okay.
hours. Water, Nescafe, tea for free. Welcome, ma'am. Have a nice stay.
Thank you.
Wi-Fi, last name,
Uh-huh.
and room number.
Thank you.
We have a balcony. We're at 1 now. Is it warm? Is it warm? Yeah, very nice. Oh! Second, so there's another one.
Elevator number 3. Okay. Oh, golly, it's hot. Smile, you're on camera.
Do you know you are? There's an order of things. First, you soak in the Dead Sea for 10 minutes, and then you apply the Dead Sea mud. Leave it on for like 15 minutes, and then you go wash it off at the Dead Sea.
This is very weird. Damn.
How often do you do this? Do you do this too?
Yeah.
Every day?
Not every day.
Go float.
I'm floating on the Dead Sea. Dead Sea mud.